Why is posture so important? It's because the alignment of the muscles basically need to be where they should be. If you are like that, all of these are long and these are short. If you're like that, these are short, those are long. So what we want is a straight posture or a neutral spine. So how do we achieve that very easily? One, you assess what's happening to your feet, basically where the weight distribution is. Is it in the heel or is it in the balls of your feet? Ideally, you want it just here, in the center, between the ball of your foot and your heel. So assess that first. So the way of assessing it is by going backwards and forwards and then finding the center. Once you've done that, let go of your knees because you're going to be gripping, and then your pelvis needs to be in the right alignment. So how do we find that alignment of your pelvis? You think of your pubic bone and you think of your aces, which are these bony structures at the top of the hip. You create a triangle and you make sure that this triangle is neither under or over the pelvis. Okay, so you want to flatten this. Imagine that this triangle is against a wall. Once you've done that, you're going to feel there's a big change in the lower back. And then the shoulders, i.e. your scapulars, have pockets in your jeans. So shoulders in their pockets, ribs are in, pubic bone is flat. Weight of the feet is in the center of the foot. So you're obviously not going to be doing all this in public. And very easy way of doing it is place your hands like this, work out the alignment of your feet and see where your pubic bone is in relation to your fingers. If your pubic bone is really far away, then you're doing that. If your pubic bone is really on your fingers, then you are posteriorly tilting. So your pubic bone should be just touching your fingers, or vice versa. Your fingers should be just touching your pubic bone. Then the ribs. The ribs, we tend to flare our ribs, bring them down, bring them in. Connect up, shoulders in their pockets, and that's a kind of straight alignment. Also the neck. A lot of us tend to do this. We spend our lives on mobile phones. Bring it in, bring your chin in. Send this, which is the nape of your neck, away from you. Hope that makes sense.